Imagine you are just walking to a new building, a modern high-tech office space. You know that everything you need is here. But since it's your first time inside, you are not quite sure where to go or what to do. This is similar to how it feels when you first log into Dynatrace. The interface is powerful and full of features, but it can be a bit overwhelming at first. Don't worry, though once you know your way around, it will feel like home. Let's start with the entrance, or what you had see when you first walk into the building. In Dynatrace, this entrance is the dashboard. Think of the dashboards as the reception area. It gives you a quick overview of everything that's happening in your IT environment. You can see key metrics, recent alerts, and a summary of your system's health all in one place. From the dashboards, you can take different paths depending on what you need. Let's say you want to check on the overall health of your applications. You head over to the applications overview. Think of this as the operation centers of the building. Here you can see how each application is performing, whether there are any issues, and if users are having a good experience. It's like looking at a big control panel that shows how everything is working together. Next, let's move to the Smartscape view. Imagine this as a detailed map of the building, showing you all the rooms, hallways, and connection between them. Smartscape does something similar for your IT environment. It visually maps out all your components, applications, services, hosts, and more, showing how they are connected and how data flows between them. This helps you to see the big picture and understand how everything fits together. Now, let's say you need to dive into something specific, like checking out one particular server or application. You had to go to the entities sections. This is like visiting a specific office within the building. In the entities sections, you can get detailed information on any part of your system. You can see how it's performing, look at recent activities, and spot any issues that need attention. Another important area is the problem section. Think of this as the building security office. This is where you go to see if anything has gone wrong, like an alert or an incident that needs attention. Dynatrace is not only tells you that there is a problem, but also helps you figure out what caused it and how to fix it. It's like having a security team that's always on the lookout, ready to help solve any issues that pop up. Finally, there is the sitting area. This is like the building's control room, where you can customize everything to fit your needs. You can adjust monitoring settings, set up alerts, and configure how Dynatrace interacts with other tools. This is where you make sure the system is tuned exactly how you want it, just like adjusting the temperature or lighting in your office. And that's it. The main areas of the Dynatrace interface. Just like finding your way around a new building, it might take a little time to get comfortable, but once you do, you will see how each part of your interface is designed to help you keep your IT environment running smoothly. By knowing where to go and what each section does, you will quickly become confident in navigating the Dynatrace interface, making your monitoring tasks easier and more effective.